Hello bearded bee people, welcome back to B&K Bees. The other day I did a video setting up this cell starter with queenless nurse bees, and some of you had to ask the question, well, what is it, what's it for, and all that. So today I'm grafting into them as I said that I was going to, and I'm going to take you along for the process. First step is to get that cell bar frame out of there that I put in there yesterday that I showed you. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so now we have this, and I'm going to go grab a donor frame. Okay, so now what I'm looking for here is a frame with tons of one-day-old larvae on it. After the queen lays an egg, that egg remains an egg for 3 days and then emerges into a larva. And after a couple days as a larva, it loses the ability to be turned into a queen. So I'm searching for one-day-old larvae, that perfect age, where they're old enough that I can pick them up, but young enough to where those queenless bees can still make good queen cells from them. Alright, so now I'm going to brush these bees off. If you're ever going to do this, remember, short brush strokes. You don't want to drag them across the frame, you just want to brush them off real quick. Okay, so now I just wet down 2 washcloths, and I'm going to go through with what's called a grafting tool. This particular one is a Chinese grafting tool, and I'm going to pick out those tiny little larvae and place them into these cups. And then I'm going to cover them with that wet cloth and keep them covered with that wet cloth until I put them back in that cell builder. So here I go. Alright, so now we're back to the starter, or builder, or whatever you want to call it, and I'm going to give them the frame that I just grafted into. And now I'm going to go put the donor frame back into the donor hive. And then 11 or 12 days from now, well, 9 days from now, I will put those cells in the incubator. And 11 or 11 and a half days from now, I will place those cells in mating nukes. And that's pretty much it. And if you ever order a queen from bkbees.com, that's how it's made. And you will know that the hive, the mother hive, donor hive, whatever you want to call it, survived last winter here in west, kind of middle Michigan, in just that bottom yellow box. And nothing supplemental, no dry sugar, no real help of any kind. They're hardy bees, they just survive. And so that's why I'm choosing them to graft from. So if you have any further questions, let me know. You know, I love talking about bees, and queen rearing is one of my absolute favorite subjects. And so I'd love to chat at you about it. Either way, get out and have some fun with bees of your own. Thanks for watching. See ya.